Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about recycling your photos. I had no idea how important this is to have a look at your old work for self-development, to visualize the change that we go through as a photographers without even knowing or realizing it. So I have a lot of photos that went unpublished for many reasons, so they're just sitting on my hard drive. And now when I look at them, sometimes I don't really like the way I used to edit my photos. Of course, as photographers, we develop ourselves all the time, or maybe just our style changes, maybe our mediums change, or maybe just our personal preferences. Years ago, I liked my photos really moody and dark, heavy on contrast, sometimes heavy on colors, and I'm not like this anymore. Today I'm a soft guy. I don't really go heavy neither on contrast or color, and I like my lighting just right. So recently I started reusing my old work to gain some traffic on my social media, but I don't really shoot as often as I used to back in the days, and I didn't really want to spam the same photos from the same shoot all the time, so I had to come up with this solution. So I dove deep into my archives to mix things up. I found so many never used photos before, but I didn't really like the edits on some of them, like at all. The photos themselves were really good, but the edits were like meh. And now I'm very thankful that I kept most of my raw files so I can jump in and fix them and post them again. This shot with Maki right here is a perfect example. Back then I actually remember how proud I was actually of those edits. Fuck yeah, I'm a Lightroom king, this shit looks incredible. And I actually sent this photo to Converse thinking they would jump on the hype train and hire me right away. Back to the topic. Why would you even want to post your old photos? You're probably thinking that nobody wants to see the same thing twice, right? Well, so my friend Gunnar, aka Icelandic Explorer, said to me that when you're gaining a new followers, they follow you based on your most recent feed. They don't dive deep 6 years into your profile, checking all your works you ever made. So the old new posts will be new ones for them that they have never seen before. It actually blew my mind. So you don't have to worry about shooting new stuff constantly. It's a win-win situation because I know you have some great work lying on your disk that were never seen before. So let me know in the comments what do you think about recycling your photos that way, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because there's more videos coming your way. Cheers, see ya! Recycling... Kurwa, jakie ciężkie słowo. Kurwa. Kurwa mać. Visual...